So let's do a deep dive on the message delivery retries and SNS dead letter queues. So when a message is delivered to an SNS subscriber, in case you have server-side errors, a delivery policy is applied. So that means if the endpoint that SNS is calling is having issues. And this is a table that makes it look like what is going to happen. So if we look at the AWS managed endpoint, for example, can you see the Firehose, Lambda, or SQS? Immediately, there's going to be 3 times without delay a retry. So that's maybe the message will go through. If it doesn't go, then it goes into a pre-backup phase where it's tried 2 times, 1 second apart. Then it goes into a backup phase where it's tried 10 times with exponential backup from 1 second to 20 seconds. And then if it doesn't work still, it goes into the post-backup phase where it's tried 100,000 times, 20 seconds apart. So the total attempts is over 100,015 times over the course of 23 days. So as you can see, there's a lot of retries for the managed endpoints of AWS. And there's another one for SMTP. But the idea here is that there is a delivery policy and retries are being made until a success happens, hopefully. In case you have an HTTP endpoint that you set up as a subscriber to your SNS topic, then you have support for custom policies. So you may want to say, what is the number of retries, the min delay, the max delay, the backup function, the throttle policy, and so on, to really customize how SNS will retry for your backend, because your backend may not like heavy load or a heavy number of retries. So this is the only kind of delivery mechanism that supports a custom delivery policy. That's very important for you to remember. Next, we have dead letter queue. So in case you have exhausted the delivery policy, then the messages that haven't been delivered are going to be discarded unless we set a dead letter queue. And the DLQ is similar to what we have for SQS. So DLQ are again SQS queues or SQS FIFO queues in case you use SNS FIFO. And they're attached to a subscription, not to a topic. So let me make it clear. The SNS topic receives messages and we have 2 subscriptions. We have an email subscription and an HTTP subscription, and we can see how these could have issues. For example, if my email server has issues, then you may have a problem, or if your HTTP subscription has issue, again, you can have problems. So you can set up a dead letter queue for your email subscription, and you can set up another dead letter queue for your HTTP subscription, thus guaranteeing that you can process these messages that were not successful in case that happens. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.